Exciting updates. Adobe Firefly welcomes AI magic from OpenAI and Google. In a thrilling announcement on Thursday, Adobe revealed that its innovative Firefly app is about to get even better. The company is integrating cutting-edge image generation AI models from tech giants OpenAI and Google, and guess what? Firefly is going mobile. For those who may not know, Adobe is the powerhouse behind beloved software like Photoshop and Premiere, tools that countless creative professionals rely on to bring their visions to life. Since 2023, Adobe has been hard at work developing its own AI models within the Firefly service, allowing users to generate stunning images and video clips without the worry of legal issues. This means you can unleash your creativity without the fear of copyright concerns. Last year, Adobe hinted at its openness to incorporating third-party models, and now it's making that a reality. With this latest update, Firefly users will have access to an impressive array of AI models, including OpenAI's GPT image generation, Google Imagen 3, Google Veo2, and Flux 1.1 Pro, alongside a fresh version of Adobe's own Firefly model. And that's not all. In the coming months, Adobe plans to introduce even more models from partners like FAL.ai, Luma, and Runway, expanding the creative possibilities for users. Ely Greenfield, Adobe's Chief Technology Officer for Digital Media, shared insights in an interview, stating, "We still have lots and lots of customers for whom taking stuff to production, they will only use Firefly because the commercial safety really matters to them. But for other parts of the workflow, like ideation, they are interested in experimenting with other models as well. So we're making that choice available to them." This means that users can seamlessly generate content using third-party models in Firefly and easily transfer their creations to other Adobe apps like Photoshop with just a few taps or clicks. Plus, you can pay for these third-party models using the same credit system you're already familiar with for Adobe's AI models. While Adobe hasn't disclosed how the revenue will be shared with third-party providers, this new feature is sure to enhance the creative experience for users everywhere. Stay tuned for more updates as Adobe continues to innovate and empower creators with the latest in AI technology.